Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: eligibility, identity, and credible online presence. Then, prepare a concise one-page summary and clean deck that highlight traction like MRR and user growth. This makes you discoverable. Once done, join the platform waitlist and enable two-factor authentication, because platforms prioritize verified accounts. Make sure to verify email and phone right away so you don't miss invite windows. Fast verification often determines whether you move from waitlist to early access. Next, optimize every public profile and linked account so reviewers can validate credibility quickly. Include clear role tags and verified links. Then engage the platform community, comment, share useful insights, and submit thoughtful feedback. To raise your visibility, many betas pick active contributors. After that, apply to any invite programs or partner referrals and sign up for webinars and office hours to meet insiders. By showing value and participating, you increase odds of receiving an invite rather than waiting passively. When an invite arrives, act quickly. Respond, finish onboarding forms, and accept any NDA so access isn't revoked. Then configure account settings, add a test billing method, and generate API keys in sandbox mode to start safely. If you hit a snag, first check spam and re-verify identity. Many issues are simple verification mismatches. If problems persist, contact support with clear screenshots, timestamps, and a concise error description. That speeds resolution and gets you into the beta without unnecessary delays.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.